Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making a moon cake. So what we'll need will be butter and vegetable shortening, flour, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, almond extract, and baking powder. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So I'm just going to set a few things aside really quick. So first what you're going to do is just preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then whisk together your baking powder and flour. And then you're just going to cream together your butter and vegetables. Then alternate adding your flour and milk until it's all incorporated. Start and end with your flour. Whoa, okay. This looks like it's gonna be a really dense cake. Okay. Okay. So let me just take these off. Okay, that was a little bit better. You also need just like a round pan. I don't really know like what size, but it just looks like this. Well, that looks the same. That's cool. Okay. Now somehow I gotta get this in here. Okay. I might have done too much better. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now, since it's a round pan, we're gonna slow bake this. So at 350 degrees, we're going to bake these for 15 minutes and then reduce the temperature to 300 degrees and bake for 40 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in right now. I need to get oven mitts because I really don't want to touch the oven by putting these in. Well, I will see you guys in 15 minutes. Now we're going to reduce the temperature to 300 degrees and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay. Okay, so the timer just went off and now I'm going to check them. Now we're going to let them cool in the pans for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Now I get to take them out of the pans. Let's see. And the buttercream that I'm using, it's from one of my other videos, it's just vanilla buttercream frosting, and I doubled the recipe. So I'll put the link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and check that out. And again, you have to double that recipe. And also, if you had a little bit of extra batter, like I know I did, so I had made, like, where'd they go? Oh, they're in the freezer, but I made 2 to make a whole moon. And then with the extra batter, I just made the half to make like the half moon. So you could also do that, or you could just like make cake pops with them. It would be really cool. But yeah, and then with the buttercream, I just dyed a gray. So I'm gonna add a little bit more actually. It's just I used, let's see, 5. I think this will be 6, 7. And then let's see if this gets to kind of gray you want it. I don't want it like black, so it's not changing the color at all. Let's see. Okay, so that is it for right now. And I just have that other one in the oven, so while the other ones are cooling. So yeah, I will see you guys when it's time to take those out.